Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade. Caroline Alizan here. It is Monday, November 21st, 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. So let's take a look at our chart in here really closely to really get to see what happened. So as we spoke about last week, about that little triangle formed between these two black trend lines, and we talked about that here sometime last week, and we are finally breaking outside of that little triangle to the downside, also breaking through the 200-day moving average as well as the 50-day moving average, which is slightly below the 200 on a pretty significant volume. That is what I was looking for. That's what I wanted to see. As I mentioned to you before, and I've been stressing it to you so many times, so I hope that you all got this and you know what I'm talking about. So that is a beautiful breakout through that lower area of support, which you see here in black, as well as that 56.90 mark, which I kept talking to you about for quite a while, and then also the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue, as well as the 50 right below in red. So we are continuing lower, as you can see here, still with the MACD pointing south, confirming that down move. But check this out. Where are we at right now? Aren't we at support? Oh yeah, sure we are. And we are hitting that 53.80 mark here today, and we are beautifully bouncing off of it, closing the day above it. So what it means is that we could be continuing lower once we break through the low of today, which is at the 53.78, and then once we do that and close below it, we can continue to the downside all the way down to that next major area of support down here at about 52.55. So that is another significant area of support that I want you to pay close attention to. We are in trouble, my friends. But anyways, that's what we could see happening here tomorrow. But the other scenario would be that we could be trying to push it all the way up to close the gap. Okay, we are gapping down today, and we never fill that gap. So we have that unfilled gap here waiting for us to fill it. Actually, it's waiting to be filled. So we could have a little bit of a bounce and a break through the 54.60 mark, and then we could push it all the way back up to at least 55.35. So that would be a beautiful gap fill. But that is another thing that I want you to pay close attention, just in case we get that low bounce. If we do not, watch that 52.55 really closely, because that's our next target. All right, yeah, so that is all that I see here happening on the chart, and the MACD is beautifully confirming that bearish move, and we do see a pretty nice confirmation on volume. All right, so hope it helps you. Have a wonderful day, evening, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.